But it's just good characteristics. And then there are those who are literally taking a qasam by Allah that they will make sure they're late every time you meet them. They will make sure that they will be late. If they tell you 12, it will have to be 10 past 12. 20 past 12. No, you ring them and say, oh yeah, I'm just about to leave home. You're 1 off, 2 off. Every single time you're late. See, for the likes of us, and I speak to myself first, we don't even regard them as good characteristics. You know, we're so far from being refined characters that we don't even regard punctuality unless you got to go to work and you're going to get sacked. But if it's for a meeting, forget meeting. You know, forget meeting. If I can come 10 minutes late, if I can come half an hour, it's no problem. Let me inconvenience everybody else in the meeting. No issue. I'll come 20 minutes late. I'll come half an hour. Let them wait. We are so far from having a refined character that these are norms within our character. You know, honestly, Allah save us. You know, honestly, I sometimes look at our communities and I think, wow, you know, do these people actually even have the right to be defined as human beings, let alone Muslims? You know, some of the cases which are brought to us, I honestly think, I said, are these actually even, do they even deserve to be a label of a human? Because they've got no humanity in them. They've got no humanity. They're zalims on steroids. But, subhanAllah, you speak to them on a day-to-day basis, and he'll think you're talking to Amir al-Mu'mineen. And when you hear about what he gets to in his private life, the way he behaves with his parents, the way he behaves with his wife, the way she behaves with her husband, the way they behave with their neighbors, and anybody that their daughter-in-laws, you think you're not even a human being. Because many non-Muslims wouldn't treat an animal the way you treat another human being. And this is the beauty of the Day of Judgment, because the wisdom of the Day of Judgment is that everyone will stand in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You got away with it in this dunya, but you will not get away with it on the Day of Judgment.